Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here on Twitter. And today we're going to be doing a Holochain updated analysis. I posted an analysis on this a little while ago. If you guys enjoy this, make sure to join the Telegram chat down below, and also make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Twitter. So you guys can see here we were in a falling wedge pattern, which is a very bullish pattern. Once you do have a significant breakout of this and retest of the support, you will see price eventually go to the top of the falling wedge as long as the pattern completes and doesn't fail. And once you have that, you'll usually see it come down, retest another support, and then continue upwards. So in the long term, this is what I expect to see with Holochain. I expect that upper resistance to eventually be reached and then breached in the long term, and for us to have a pretty decent bull run on this asset. So most recently, we did see a breakout of it, and actually I put this in my chat, and for a while we were up pretty good profits. We were up around like 38%, 40 something percent, something like that. I didn't sell. I didn't signal to sell. I've just been holding this one for the long term. We didn't end up reaching the first target, but what happened that was very interesting is that we had the breakout, and now we have the retest of the trend line. So that is usually to be expected. It was pretty hard to predict this one. I didn't really want to bother with it as this is a long-term hold. So I wasn't going to risk selling and then having it skyrocket up to those targets. So right now, I'm really glad to see that we have retested this zone over here, and we have retested the lower trend line support inside of the wedge, and now we're wicking back up. And I would like to see this eventually, well, probably tomorrow, break out above here, especially with the stock market doing terrible. We were seeing cryptos also follow, but I think that we'll eventually break from that from following the same pattern as the stock market, and we will go in our own direction that will have nothing to do with the stock market. I think the stock market will do very bad and crypto will do very well. So right over here, we can see we have a double bottom. We have this support over here that's very strong, and that's where price is right now. So I've seen no reason for this not to hold, and I expect for this to bounce out of here and probably target this area again, probably this area over here. Anywhere over here, we probably have strong resistance. If we get above there, we're heading to these upper zones over here, and I would assume we'd head to this target in the medium to long term, which would be fantastic to see. So I'm just holding my Holochain long term. Glad to see the retest of this, and I would like to see a breakout of this tomorrow. If you guys would like to see updates, please make sure to join the Telegram chat. Follow me on Twitter. I post exclusive analysis that I don't put in my free chat on Twitter sometimes, so you guys don't want to miss that. So, all right, guys. If you want to see the next analysis, it's going to be on WazirX. So make sure to keep updated on my analysis. Take care.